Often, as humans, we forget to turn off our lights. As a result, this can destroy the planet and your wallet. Oh, hi there. I'm Jack Key, senior at Brookline High in Brookline, Massachusetts, computer science and computer engineering student, and part-time salesman for fantastic Arduino projects made by our team. Now, I know you may be thinking, what is this fancy little contraption that we got here? But no need to worry, because I'm about to explain everything right after Aryan, tells a little bit about himself.
I'm Aryan Agarwal, a senior at Westview High School in Portland, Oregon. Jack the salesman and I met through a summer program run by MIT known as BWSI, where we learned all about the world of microelectronics. This got us thinking about how we can use our knowledge to create solutions about climate change. Now I'll let Jack explain the impact of our project.
So, lighting can constitute anywhere from 10 to 25% of a household's energy bill, which is a lot. That is the wrong tool. Even with the median being 15%. Now, there are a lot of these motion light sensors online that can help mitigate this cost, but the problem with a lot of these is that they're either hard to install or they're just simply darn expensive, which is where our device comes in. The LightOut Pro introduces a very consumer-friendly model for most households.
Here's our device. We have a few components here, so let's get through them. First, we have an ultrasonic distance sensor to detect if the door is open or closed. We also have a photoresistor light sensor that is able to detect the light level in the room. A PR motion sensor is also in place to help detect if there's motion in the room after the ultrasonic distance sensor is triggered. This allows the device to understand if a person has entered or left the room, since if there is motion detected, someone has entered the room, and if there isn't, then the person has left the room. We also have a 5-volt battery powering all of the components in the system, and all of the components are hooked up to the Arduino Uno, which has all the code programmed into it.
Oh, we didn't stop there, because we were able to make a finalized version known as LightOut Pro 2.0, and it included an LCD screen, so it can mock you every single time you have forgotten to turn off the lights by counting them. And of course, by opening up the box, you would see the usual parts, the stuff that Aryan was talking about previously. Now, let's get back to whatever he was doing before.
Now let's look at a demo for how this whole device works. One challenge we faced was making sure that the light doesn't switch off when someone leaves a room of more than one person. To overcome this challenge, we added a PIR motion sensor to make sure that the light doesn't switch off when there's still movement detected in the room.